This is how you lay a brick patio. Start by excavating your area and removing all debris. You're going to plot your paver patio with stakes and streamline, and you're going to perfect your excavation. Dig 4 inches down. 4 inches leaves room for 2 inches of pea gravel and 2 inches of sand. Make sure it's square and wider than your actual patio. Squaring will make sure you have less cuts and straighter lines. Dump and evenly apply your gravel. Level and pack your pea gravel. Spread and level your crushed sand. Pick a design for your pavers. I did a dark outside border and a lighter inside. Make your border square and straight as possible. Everything that does not have a solid border, buy borders for. They can be metal or the plastic ones like these. Try not to use the ground as a border. Once your pavers settle, it will be bad news. A hard border will keep it tight. If a paver's sticking out, it's okay. If it's minor, just slowly bring the pavers back straight line. Get as fancy as you want with the corners, but I kept it as a 45, keeping it simple, stupid. Notice the paver sticks out from the rest. I could grind the concrete, but I just stuck it out a bit more because it wasn't too much, and then brought the other ones level to it. If you have specialty cuts, don't stress. You can go around things. For me, it was my gas line. Mark the depth of your specialty cut you need cut, and then chisel out the middle piece. I did a full paver to start a row, and then I did a half to start the next. This is a super easy pattern. It also ensures the pattern stays tight. A chop style saw is preferred for these types of cuts. I have an angle grinder with a 4-inch masonry blade. Score the pavers as deep as the blade will reach, and then it will chisel apart. If the chisel leaves chunks uneven, just smooth the paver's edge. After scoring your pavers, chiseling them apart is easy and satisfying. Next, it's time to lay your pavers. I leveled as I went. A rubber mallet makes it nice to tap those pavers evenly together. Here you can see my pattern: 1 full paver to start a row, then 1 paver to start another. The row should end the same way it started. Level as you go, fix it before you get too far. If you see a low spot, fix it. You can also check with a level. Work your way to one corner. When you lay your final brick, if you did it perfectly, you do not need to cut the last piece, unlike me. Use a plate compactor with a soft rubber-like bottom to compact the pavers down. Sweep and blow off the patio to get rid of excess dirt. Spread your locking sand. If you follow the instructions on the back of the bag, they are clear and easy. Sweep locking sand into cracks. Fill all cracks. Spray the sand lightly for 2 minutes. Allow to dry, then enjoy your beautiful paver patio. If you enjoyed the video, it would mean a lot if you liked and subscribed to my channel. If you're a professional landscaper, just ignore this video and move on.